Hi, good morning na ba ngayon? Hindi pa naman, 11:38 pa lang naman. So, hindi pa. Ngayon ay gabi pa ng October 28. So, I'm still awake and I would like to do a little vlogging, or a little recording. And I decided to records about leadership, since there are those who are messaging me that I talk about leadership in my blog. And so I went over, or I decided to look at my library and what the book I have there, which had something to do with leadership. So I found out that I have a copy of John Maxwell's The Gift of Leadership. And I read it, and then I decided to share with you the 10 practical things that Maxwell wrote about that every leader should know. So here we go. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you are watching it, please like, share, and comment. And so, number 1, according to Maxwell, na dapat malaman ng bawat isang leader ay develop your philosophy in life, your philosophy as a leader. So early on your life, think already of a philosophy you would want to guide your life as you steer your company or the organization into heights of success. So ano yung filosofiya na gusto mong sundin, o ano yung filosofiya ng buhay na mayroon ka. Ang pangalawang sinabi ni Maxwell ay know your strengths and weaknesses. Yes, that's very important. Ano ba yung mga kainaan natin bilang leaders, at ano ba yung ating mga kalakasan? So, you know your strength and your weaknesses. What you are going to do is to focus on your strengths more than your weaknesses. That's according to Maxwell. Dito ako malakas, dito may marami akong magagawa. So you focus your attention to the strengths rather than focusing your attention on what is weak in you. Yung iba naman, sabi nila, tingnan mo yung mga weaknesses mo and then turn your weaknesses into strength. So, meron namang nagsasabing ganun. Pero according to Maxwell, your strength should be your focus rather than your weaknesses. The third advice or gift, according to Maxwell, ay settle your family life. Know the issues affecting your family. Figure out how to deal with them. So you cannot be a good leader, an effective leader, if your family is problematic, magulo, maraming problema. So kailangan i-settle muna ang mga problema sa pamilya, kasi baka madala-dala mo yan sa iyong organisasyon. Fourth is determine your priorities. How do you want to spend your time? What do you want to devote your life to? So ito ay very important. What do you want to devote your life to? Saan mo ba gustong i-devote ang buhay mo? Ano ba ang priorities mo sa buhay? Para ka maging isang mabuting leader, kailangan alam mo ito. And another is, nakakalimutan ng mga nasa leadership position dahil abala sila, I get physically fit. Because if you are not healthy, you are not physically fit, then hindi ka makakatrabaho ng gusto. Hindi mo magagawa ang mga dapat mong gawin bilang leader na kailangang itimon na muna sa maayos ang iyong organisasyon. The seventh advice of Maxwell is you have to pay the price. What does he mean by that? Dito ay there is no success without sacrifice. So may mga isasakripisyo tayo sa buhay natin. may isasakripisyo tayo mga bagay-bagay. Maaari din nating isakripisyo financially kung gusto nating maging successful. Ang ating may mga kailangan nating i-hone pa yung ating kakayahan. So we have to spend money para tayo ay mas gumaling pa. 8, develop solid relationship. This is very important. You cannot have a rich life without other people. No man is an island. Let us remember that. Because other people also give us the rewarding experiences. They make us happy. They help us. So we have to develop solid relationship with our people, especially in the organization. The 9th advice from that book is prepare for the future. So make wise financial choices. Ano ba ang mga priorities mo rin financially? So magkaroon ka ng makabuluhan, matalinong pagtutuunan ng mga finances. And the other one, the last one is find purpose for your life. What is definitely the purpose of your life? Kailangan pag-iisipan yon. Maxwell pointed out in that book, no, that great leaders help others discover and develop their abilities. Remember that. Great leaders help others discover and develop their abilities. Huwag kang maging madamot, no? Tumulong ka sa iba, tapagkat hindi ka naman mananatili sa iyong kinalalagyan sa buong panahon ng buhay mo or sa buong panahon. Aalis at aalis ka dyan. Somebody will have to take over. So, tulungan mo yung iba na ma-develop yung kanilang potential as leaders. Sinabi pa rin ni Maxwell na leaders' head and heart should be able to understand and love others. Magmahal ng iba, umunawa sa iba, for him to be able to use his hands to help others. Dapat alam nyo, gamitin ang kamay para makakatulong sa iba. Unawain ng iba, mahalin ng iba, hindi lang ang sarili. And a leader should not only be a better leader for others. Should be a better leader for himself. So, sa sarili mo rin, dapat alam mo paano mo pamumunuan ang sarili mo. So, ang pinakamagandang paraan, sabi ni Maxwell, ay start to lead yourself. To what? To the person you want yourself to be. Kailangan dalhin mo yung sarili mo doon. Pagtuunan mo ng pansin yon. Paano ako magiging ganito? Magaling na leader, hindi lang magaling na leader. May leader na may puso. Leader na may concern sa mga tao. So, kailangan ikaw mismo ay i-lead mo ang sarili mo doon. O kung meron kang hindi magandang attitude, you have to also find that out. And then, try to correct that. So, ikaw mismo, tulungan mo yung sarili mo na maging mabuti. Para, bago ka kasi maging mabuti sa iba, dapat maging mabuti ka rin sa sarili mo. You know yourself. You know kung ano yung hindi tama sa pagkatao mo. Kaya dapat din, i-lead natin yung sarili natin sa tamang landas, sa tamang daan, at sa tamang landas ng kung anong uring tao mo gustong maging, o sa tamang daan kung saan gusto mong madala doon ang iyong sarili. So, ganun lang ang aking vlog ngayong gabi. Inaantok na kasi ako. Wala na akong strength. Napapansin nyo sa boses ko. Kaya siguro next time na lalagyan ko ng konting force, dynamism, because tonight talaga I'm so sleepy already. But I don't like to miss this night na hindi ako nakakapag-vlog kahit ganito lang. So thank you again. God bless you all. And let us always pray so that our country will be at peace, no? Walang kaaway. At tayo man ay walang kaaway. Thank you. And I love you.